First of all, I am going to draw a two parallel line. A two parallel line, name it as MN, and a transversal line, name it as L. Now, here I am going to locate angles. See here, 1, say
2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8.
Now you have to say me which are corresponding angles.
Yeah.
Wait. Corresponding angles. In this chapter, it's very important that you have to identify the angles which corresponding alternate interior angles meanwhile. So, first one is corresponding angles. Now you are going to show me which is corresponding angles. First I am going to say. After that you are going to show me. Corresponding angles means this one, 1 and 5. Here it is 1 and 5. Let me write 1, angle 1 and 5. Even now I'll show. On the same side I will show. See here, 4 and 8. Okay, 4, angle 4 and 8. Now you are going to say
Angle 2 and angle 6.
see here, this one 2 and 6.
Angle 3 and angle 7.
Here it is 3 and 7. 3 and these angles are known as
Corresponding
angles. Second one, alternate interior angle. You have to identify alternate interior angle. One I am going to do and another you are going to do. First one let me see in this diagram. First, this thing you have to highlight. Interior means inside the parallel lines. So inside the parallel lines there are only 4 angles. Alternate interior angles means 4 and 5. Sorry, this is on the same side. Alternate means you have to see opposite side. So 4 and 6, angle 4 and 6. Now we are going to say another example. 9 as
Angle 3 and angle 5.
see, interior angle means only inside the parallel lines we are seeing. So 3 and 5. Opposite side we have to see here 3 and 5. Now interior angles finished. Next is what?
External angle.
Alternate
Exterior angle.
Here the highlight point is exterior and alternate. The mistake I did the previous one. Alternate means opposite thing. Exterior means outside the parallel line. See here there is 1 and 2 and 8 and 7.
Angles.
Then stop. See, which is outside the parallel lines are exterior angles. Which are there? Which are those? 1, 2 and 8 and 7. So alternate means opposite sides. Now I am going to say 1 and you are going to say 1. Alternate is 1 and 7. You say.
Angle 1 and angle 7. Angle 2 and angle 8.
Here 2 and 8, which is outside the parallel line. 2 and 8. The last one I am going to say here is interior angles on the same side of transversal. Interior angles on the same side of the transversal. See here, interior angles is highlighted. You have to see only the interior angles inside the parallel lines, and on the same side means same side. It should be on the same side. See here 4 and 5 and
3 and 6.
yes. One I am going to write. Wait. Interior angles on the same side of transversal. Interior angles means this 4, 3 and 5 and 6. So same side means 4 and 5. 4 and 5. You are going to say another example.
3 and angle 3 and angle 6.
Same side, and this is interior angle. 3 and 6. You got to know?
Yeah.